Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix failed payment method on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your payment method has been failed or your payment message was declined, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to update some informations of your payment method so it will be fixed. So now to fix that, you just have to very first check your network connection that you have a strongest and stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, go back, go for settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, try to disconnect with that, then go back, go for language and region option, select region, and select the region in which you are living. So once you are selected, go back from here, and here you just have to go for the end time and enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. After doing that, go back, open your App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID here, and verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then tap on country or region option, and from here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or the select country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone. Select that, tap on continue option, now tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method. You can re-add your previous payment method, or if you have any another payment method, you can easily add that from here. And once you have added your payment method, you have to correctly add your billing address, your street. You can skip these options if you want. After that, enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can Google that. Then enter these information, enter your phone number, your name, and after all, you just have to tap on done option here. And once you have added all of these, your issue will be fixed and your info about your Apple ID will be updated and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.